Good morning guys. Now I'll show you how to connect your Hypernet VPN. First, open your Loop Tattoo. That's it. Now connect it prepaid. Connect. Once connected, open your Hypernet VPN. For Windows 7 or Windows Vista, right click, then run as administrator your Hypernet icon on your desktop. And for Windows XP, just double click or open, right click, run as administrator. You will see your Hypernet GUI. Let's try to use download server at port 8080. That's it. Now try to connect. Let's try to connect. Connect. You see a dial-up success here. After that, starting connection. Lastly, completing sequence. Starting connection, completing sequence. Now the notification that we're already connected, and this one is the live update. Don't cancel it. Don't cancel it, guys. That's it. We have the latest version 4.5.0. Now we have already connection. Let's try it. That's good. And let's try to download. Let's try to download Avast. Okay, let's see the download speed here. We have the maximum 3.77 Mbps. This one is the pinger. Monitor your signal. It should be more on blue or dominated blue color than red. You see your speed here. We have a lot of server here. Let's try it on your location. We have download, browsing, PH server, and the trial. But now we use the download bin for our test. That's all, guys. Hope you enjoy watching for my simple tutorial how to use Hypernet VPN. Don't forget to add us on your FB account, VPN user, HP user. All updates posted here. And keep updated, guys. See, you can post here comments. We post the latest version here. Just download it. This one. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and more power to Hypernet VPN user. Thank you, guys.